If you want to call and set up a voicemail on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, what you can do is you can open the phone app, and then once you go to the phone app, we can just switch to the keypad in here, and you can press and hold number 1 in order to speed dial the voicemail. And of course, after that, you should be able to reach the voicemail. You can follow the instructions in order to set it up, and so on and so forth. If you press and hold number 1 and nothing happens, this might be due to the incorrect voicemail number. So in order to fix it, we can go back to the home page, tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner, and then we can go to settings. Once you open settings, you should be able to find the voicemail option, select your SIM for which you want to fix the voicemail number, go to advanced settings, and in here we have the voicemail number, which we can of course customize. If you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can, for example, try to contact your carrier or service provider and ask them about the voicemail number, or you can just simply try to Google that information. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.